more any other than any semi be so but I was school that time yana me person make because I knew say sanko for no be fit with him na coming na aba be ka bi wa me ne ameda dam se ne to form na still ne aba be yitim no ba na sana nhye ne ntisa nti me find a lot of difficult I would team because I feel mesa be ko camp aba be problem me na supporters no me ye omo choice no na afide masaba ba be ye me say call last so what I say nti say that now see can who expectation then no come up to now no me who say my very disappointed but
okay go Argentina that time no on team ni ko company for na international ko amoma hu say bia who the age ni na omoma on Cologne na nkaleta
meba na me gusu kaniti me yedidi mo na opokuo enti mi ame papa ofri omoji team ni finish because na nyoma ye basa na omoji team ni finish na omode ba ma me papa Dr. Kwamichi enti no doctor so aba ne de new recruitment so ebesa aba ye pe player we na di we ba ye we na di we see we na di ba enti no sa nyoma ni bi be kan ni because there was idea for them say Opokuti player. So when they say they keep me more best of the game Emma club. Then Nyanko Poa or boy who buy and that's all or share sono. Enemy dancing. Pull up and a bema me carry a wakotokono ebe basa because oni nkofobi ye juma to osabi share mo kotokono so he choose that nkofono over me. Then me kono as a brony, as a bibinia, many brony age man say no. What's the problem? Because when I catch say for training, performing training hard. Now only the one match. I do all my best, but still now won't select me. So what's the problem? If say me okay, sad time no na a packer a mediama frame dig say membra a takwa. Ana omube with black so to me enemy near Jumana. On to me assure me say CD we be me playing time. Then okay, na me say okay be the problem ti omo frame me omo frame o Dr. Kwamichi o unity o yo. Na me call to doctor on no mo say na doctor say I say obae no me yene me ho bo na me say father ball no de so omo de me tubo no ma me bo ba ko chi ni fa me mbo so omo ntwen na me mbo me last year ni ogoma se me tunyame o hata so da yemfa ni hu ni da omampene because they have ideas someone the player beba Emma coach no assign madam fobi yima no patase no bo first division bo make seshi side ho boy kumase boy omo de omo nyina be hihye ana de omo clear ye nyina ye free mu including as a kwansa story no kwa da ho search wo google me ho iti omo ma me ni as a kwansa omo ma play bia akoyi na asrese me wo mu se eduru me so no so omo release me no ana mpenifo ni bi ka cho omo se no memo mu nja me na me de den a team beba me ho aba beto me nti omo ntwen kaka Equiales me ma me o aye go machine me ma me ni di na gu me nsa ho no Equiales
that's mama
ni di na gu me nsa ho
that's ya me sure
nti ono omo ye sa we ni nyina na me ka say no me ma team no spirit in free me team no de me pay ayade a me pay a me ne yes me swa ne yes me bokoto nti ma ba bebo but the problem is say for na be share enyim no ma say omo ma me mbo team ni enjoy omo mako so there was idea ni say ma me san koda na me hombla unu so kuma me mbo Ghana league no ma fa say me trimu da say me pese me tukon me de che me tise me pese me yes system no duro me ye embamo any great players na bebo Manage me okay. Ana me oguma senye life na me swado na come ni o. So ya we me be up to date kwa me didi but the problem is say me o be say o mobo no.
Who free kotoko akwa is good no. Omo ton wa na say oko for free.
Abo ton me.
Nti as good for now the be show interest wo so mo pɛ say if so mo nyisu a mo pɛ so.
Nti started say before say na me person met na Asante region biom. Or me oboase kwa mo Asante region nti no me ne Moses Parker ye mediama owner. Me ne ono me di nkomo ohun news no ana ofrɛ me phone so. That time no o take no ofrɛ me so say what is kɔtɔkɔfo no be say me nko na kwan ne da hɔ ma me. O hia me pa say me mebo team no. Na so me kwa me be free Asante region me ba hɔ no. Nti me yeah we na me ne di nkomo na Ike Ashefem presenter ebe mu no obefa me ne Francis Akwafo that time na attack susu contract ewu kotoko say omo de ye back to na champion won say me bo achiken nti na achiken so no ono omo de as good man no de be share champion sa eye me papa champion o de be share nsa nti na say champion na ready e be take over ana omo de ye ko kire champion nti ehọ na idea ne sa sign so no okay in there say champion asabi ma because as goal so your team na me bo greater cancer no na omo bass be sini twemu na me hwe bass ne pa am say team we emu ode because no mo campaign say emu ode nti eno so baaye no ana me frɛ Parker of phone say father we dey bibia ba be bom na beji e nti na asa ono so ne kita me nti wa ma me kwan no so Parker so onye problem mo dey me mbo se bibia be si bia no epono da ho ene na me nua ma me de kopie Ashgood
Na okodu as good so na also as good na no matter.
Ashgood de ogomashi se de wo kan no se trimu de eba me side kotoko Ashgood ana me ko relax e eno ne me problem because me ko Ashgood no me mbo team bia wo wiase ma me ba kotoko na opoku ntini George Kennedy Legends no mo pemasem ba how na champion pemasem no me mbo obo mo bi pemasem da na kwa me so no pemasem ba a champion be family de me ye bibia or the ye selection a obebusa me ene Ogoma City me bobo wo training game so father han so onu se me meka no kra che onu se me fa no met church ene ko Ogoma che ne wa bobo no coach no on week when training ye ba coach na episode ne bo champion piti
Yes, I don't know what dreams it. Well, I'm not quite a team now. Why is a team like I bet was him to
I
do
owner service me ana me control bibia ana me sabe nya captain enti no e ma nyoma be eti when say me hu se no afi de enyoma ye basa say ene sei ochena sei ene sei de bet nsem ba ye no na me so no da bi me nyini perception anyhow I me sit thinking say come in 3 Ghana no me say sika me nya ye ni me fia me timi am ye bibia me ti bibia me di bitui
Eba as good no. Ujai bet na fie kakra na say.
ya be me kotoko direct to Ashgood man to me
Yeah,
boss
no,
good
that
5k
ko as good no. O ko as good na normal be basa honom no. Ujai as good bet na fie kakra nsa na akunya bi ba mu akobe fofora na say from as good na move to new club.
okay me that's me ball Ashgood for 2018 to 2020 no ana enyoma ye say basa na ana me ba fi because omode band beto team no so no ane ye breaking league ni nyina be fi no na me hu say no ade no enye ye biom nti me decide ye say me mo Ghana ball ni biom because there was a news I call so me din hihiem and then osage my say na me friend me ma me say no ade no mo kaka fa mo no me nye ye nti no ade no kuko ichi nti the best way say me ja Ghana league ni bo ana me ja Ghana league ni bo nti me betena afie ana me bobo Kumasi professionals ye bobo match ye ti group ani de bobo match ti true match
Yeah, France are
yes
quite.
yes true anu kwa de fans akwa for de na egufa ba we Kumasi professionals
Okay.
nti true that ni mu na ye ko hia nkofo bi me ko hia anyas mu na me ko hia bamba nti me akwantu me tu ya me ko ball no madam fo bi a oye muslim me friend bamba ana de me tu kwa ko India.
Okay. It's your first professional year boy India.
India Kashmala Coney Island was here.
Your first time outside Ghana or India, not a hot so to say.
na very tough. Once me betena fie pa o ebe bo ama me be kese so me be no pressure. Nti me mu nyina be eduru. Nti chance ne buy no madam for no for so me say me nko from I think no August mo baby as say August e be November mo baby. Na me so India there me nko before the na me ne madam for Ziggy. Wa unua Ziggy.
Yeah.
I didn't come out so or Malaysia na team no wo no. Nti me ma adwen da Malaysia so nti madam for ne di India sam buy na me pese me fi no kura. Enti me hu say Malaysia no so pa hyehye me no. Na yes o say me di me ni kire India ho. Enti me ko ne na training e fan training. Ba ko kitikiti se ko na me ni bi. Na bi no enti me call no na me hyehye me ye training na me pick e. Enti me pick e no nya ho boso ngu me ni ma se me bo 10 games so me share 4 goals.
Okay. India no ball how many years so
India no dey me ko ball because no na second run. Na second run enti me ball me ball second run I think 3 months almost 4 months.
We were renew now back.
Mary no I be here say go ma say I some oh yeah e go for the man kasa any nipa na o de me ko no mama na kasa so almost say hear me back but India no the wako India nyina da no nim o pese obi account wo no ma enye easy so foreign obi bi account nti me salary any iska or somebody man no man tue ska no ma me eja iska no ba Ghana nti iska no be ye twema me ntwe ofre obi a onfa ana ye boys ni bi na ewo mu ne de team no call FIFA nti e ba affect me because Ghana for the FIFA man FIFA for my threat the ene e ba affect me nti man come back to it conversations na me no mo man ni nyina no o me twa
But I say Usika di on Sakai.
Sika no the 5 months asa na me seka woman blood
Usika di on
blood be breu kuma asa
on Sakai is coming now. On Sakai is coming now. Now here in outside boy Okobo India and no Ghana. Na difference wo mu eh den say.
Ghana dey say impenifo na mo ye ball no enye so ne so mo seka ye tutu mo nyina re ye betima re nipa 40 o seka ye tutu mo nyina re o wa shi o se o de wa bobo outside no India ball no o se obi ti Ghana ka so ko bobo India na ko bobo India o ntimi mo edin omo ball na edin pa edin no omo so edin ba Ghana de nyagopo ma e bibie bi your talent ye ni ball boss omo and no doubt ba ball no edin because omo fa foreign players e bobo India no e mu one quarter kwa mu bi Ghana
Yeah,
obi afa Spain player obi play Spain Brazil for bobo ye kwa Brazil for e do mo ba na ya sefo ana e mo bobo ha sei ba wonim say there's a country bu wo call no man visa no Ghana ni bobo do ade na call bobo eno beto mitim eni kwa na agent no me nipa ne ka se me nko na ka se bobo kila na obi a me Ghana player me bobo kama me ko bobo India ti me ko hu say Asamajan legend kwa ko bobo India na ajode o ha kwa ni mu Ghana kokko no ko bo na ho nto ana me hu sa nyoma ni nya say Asamaja ko bobo India dia me to ye asa me
back me hu say recently who say nya offer o India.
Yeah, sure. Me back in there. Me go back to Nepal. Eko bo Super League ho. Eko bo Super League. Also me call no. Team me call na team keto bi o mo so no. Me fan say o de bag na ha. Anka me ka say Asante region. Asante region say that time ni ye big clubs here. Kotoko Kingfisher and Ashgood. You know, me fan say o yi Kotoko abe Ashgood ase o yi Kingfisher. Anti me ko bo team ti say Kingfisher. No bi am fire. Oh, darling, and that's it. Kingfisher. I was a players, you know. I will form near the day, but me a salmon cock, Oguma Spano. And I catch me say, Metifia, me, yes, born near Babo, and if you born into the main cock. Oh, a quite know what? Yeah, a quite know what Metnas and I'm sure when I'm quite tintin and Kofubi ni scanner. Scanner and conference at the mammy agent and Asaj or massage scanning in Anamisa. A catching mini pan say, Charlie. Sky on the man party as I call risk life. My internet, you know, say, David, or the milk. na unia me take a risk na me tena play mu na pua na me ko duru ti me ko duru no me bo me homo de ma team na team no ko duru final ba final ne enti manji ni di second Ghana enti me free
one India.
Yeah, me sabe tena ho no ma me tete team na me sabe nya India first time omobo India Super League e wo Kerala so ajima me na me koye adwuma no na me giba Ghana no me medal wa say me ba ma me nyi medal ne me kire me pa twa because interview anu ani me ba
Ibra no be Ajo ko de ni di nkomo no Ajo yi ni medal be che no obi ehun Ajo so achievement the onya of football mu ba yene no nkomo bebre kin yene no mon power tap na mun share life no na yentie ni Ajo so won say etitru bebre wo so no tokumu wo so ken no so ni pa bebre
we no we ni NSL that no ne ma menyi me ni free so na mo hwe ni we no NSL no super
interview
best player Tokunu no we Kerala Nepal so ana de me kwaje cap no anyway there wow obe run me page Kerala Super League na me
last India club
yes my last India club my boy a friend Calicut ewo Kerala
okay omo medal ni we say
omo medal ni we ni gold medal ni
no so ball for how many seasons
honestly me born 4 months ana Mesawo I was be me ball India so I league me ko ball I league you know ka me ya me man of the match yene Sudiva Kashmir Sudiva me na me man of the match me shegu ba akoni ana ba akoso wa ha ba akosa ni we so yene muna me fa ne say kwa team we namda team we refi team ni di nana pokumu team no nana nana pokumu team no and boy no so me sa shegu na me sa man of the match nti ohwa and go na I League Super League so we won ya
na who pictures ni na me hu so oji ni na me follow
me say me dey chena
adeti odi change na o ka ain't once and renew o contract no last you know
ana we no Super League you know omode months ni bi na ebo because say Super League because of India league you know I league ni ISL no koso intin almost stop here wow Trao FC ana Bamba Amando Bamba wa de also no na dem ko India no no ko ni nyina no
Senior Bamba that's it Senior Bamba you didn't back count later
yeah inti tournament no mood there 4 months 5 months no mo de bunti no mo babo bi obusisi aye say omo wie I league no Anna, the reason why I say I league na is when you say scan no money ba no obi am person this can be shame because time me call I league mu na sponsors wo nti na mutua no mutua ba